TVU Channel makes it simple to import programs and videos into custom channels for scheduled playouts. Pre-recorded feeds can be entered in a monthly or daily schedule from the TVU Channel user interface. To add media into your schedule, first click Scheduler at the top of the window. Next, click the Media tab in the left panel, your custom folder structure for organizing your recorded media displays. Then click a folder and select a file. Finally, drag the file to the Calendar panel and drop it into a desired playout date and time. To upload local videos into your schedule, first click Scheduler at the top of the window. Next, click the Media tab in the left panel. Then click the Upload Video icon. In the Add Local Video pop-up window, click the Folder field and select a checkbox. Then click Plus Upload to upload a local media file. Browse for and select a local media file and click Open. Click the Set Type drop-down menu and select your set type. Depending on what file type you selected, you may need to enter a name. Finally, click the Add button